Hello my dear students, once again I am here as we were doing exercise 14.3 in the live class. Let us continue from there only. We have already finished 3 questions from it. Let us start the 4th question. What question number 4th is saying that 4yz is z square plus 6z minus 16 is to be divided by 2y z plus 8. 2y z plus 8. So what I told you that you will have to factorize this separately. Make a middle term split. As you can see, this is not a whole square of anything. So you will have to make the middle term split of it. 16 के फैक्टर्स हम करेंगे. 16 के फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे? 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. So 1 plus 16 is not 6. 16 minus 1 is not 6. 4 plus 4 is not 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. So in place of 6 I am going to write 8 minus 2, z minus 16. So z square plus 8z minus 2z minus 16. What is common? Z is common amongst the two terms. So z plus 8. What is common? Minus 2. Negative 2 is common. So z plus 8. Now what is common? Z plus 8. So what left? Z minus 2. So in place of this I am going to write z plus 8 and z minus 2. 4yz z plus 8 z minus 2 upon 2y z plus 8. So z plus 8 is cancelled, y is cancelled and 2 is also cancelled. So what left? 2z z minus 2. You can multiply, you can left it here, you can multiply 2z square minus 4z. So इस तरह से होगा ये क्वेश्चन हमारा. Okay. Similarly, we are having question number 5. Let us see question number 5. 5 and 6 are more or less same. So let me tell you part number 5 or part number 6 I am telling you. 5 you will do on your own. What part number 6 is saying? 12xy and 9x square minus 16y square upon is to be divided by 4xy 3x plus 4y. 4xy 3x plus 4y. Now you will have to factorize the numerator. As I told you that every time you will have to factorize the numerator. So this time 9x square minus 16y square is to be factorized. Now tell me what identity we are going to use. I am very sure you might have guessed it, a square minus b square. So yes, it is a square minus b square. 3x का whole square minus 4y का whole square. It becomes 3x plus 4y, 3x minus 4y. So in place of this I am going to put this 12xy, 3x plus 4y, 3x minus 4y upon 4xy 3x plus 4y. So 3x plus 4y से 3x plus 4y, xy से xy cancel, 4 3 are 12. The answer is 3 into 3x minus 4y. If you wish, you can multiply in 3 3 are 9x, 3 4 are 12y. Otherwise, you can left it here, you can left it here. Both way it is correct. So the same way, question number 5 is there. Now question number this was question number 6. Now let us see question number 7. What is there in question number 7? There also we are having the same identity, but identity you will not be able to see straightforward. You will have to mold it first and then you will have to apply it. 39y cube 50y square minus 98 is to be divided by 26y square and 5y minus 7. Minus 7? No, plus 7. It is plus 7. So, what you will do, first of all, you will see that what identity can be applied here. And you can see that 50 is not a square of anything. And neither 98 is a square of anything. So, to make it factorize, we need something special. 50y square minus 98. What is common? 2 is common. So it becomes 25y square minus 49. And now you can see that this is the square. This is the whole square of 5y. This is the whole square of 7. So a square minus b square can be applied now. But not in the beginning. So 2 will come like this. This is the whole square of 5y. This is the whole square of 7. So in one bracket 5y plus 7. In another bracket 5y minus 7. These are the factors of 50y square minus 98. Hence 39y cube into 2 5y plus 7 5y minus 7 upon 26y square 5y plus 7. So 5y plus 7 and 5y plus 7 are cancelled. Y square and y is cancelled. 2 will cancel it 13 times. 13 will cancel it 3 times. Ultimately 3y 5y minus 7 left. If you wish, you can multiply it in. If you don't, then you can left it here also. 15y square minus 21y. This way, our exercise 14.2 is over. Now, 14.3, sorry. Now, for the last exercise from chapter 14, that is 14.4. A bit of lengthy exercise, but in this you need not to factorize it. You need not to take common. You will have to see that what mistake is there in the question. The question is wrong. The right hand side and left hand side are not equal. And why they are not equal, what mistake he has done, that you will have to mention. Or that you will have to correct. Okay. Question number 1. What he is saying, if 4x minus 5 like so is there, its answer will be 4x minus 5. The left hand side is not equals to right hand side. Wow, you can see that if you will solve it, then you will find out here. So left hand side we are solving 4 into x minus 5. Whatsoever is written outside the bracket, that is always multiplied in. So it will be 4x minus 20. And what he is saying, 4x minus 5. So left hand side is not equals to right hand side. Left hand side is not equals to right hand side. It should have been 4x minus 20. He is writing it 4x minus 5. So it is wrong. Let us see question number 2. In question number 2, he is saying x multiplied by 3x plus 2 should be 3x square plus 2. He is committing all those mistakes which you people keep doing. A bracket में एक term से multiply कर दिया, दूसरे से multiply किया ही नहीं. The same mistake he is doing. So while it should have been x का 3x में multiply हुआ तो 3x square और x का 2 में multiply हुआ तो 2x. So left hand side is not equals to right hand side. Left hand side here is not equals to right hand side. It should have been, the right answer is 3x square plus 2x and the wrong answer given is 3x square plus 2. So this way you will have to find out the right answer and then you will have to check, is it the right answer? No, it is not. If it is not, left hand side is not equals to right hand side. If it is, then you will have to check what will be the right answer. So let us move to next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is 2x plus 3y. Yes, this is also very common mistake many of you do. 2x plus 3y. If I will ask what will be the answer, many of you will say 5xy. Many of you will say 5xy. But if you will see left hand side, in left hand side, both are unlike terms. Both are unlike terms. They cannot be solved. The final answer is this only. 2x plus 3y can never be added. They can only be multiplied. So they are not multiplied, so 5xy will not be the answer. In addition, they cannot be added. So left hand side is not equals to right hand side, and this is the answer in itself. It cannot be solved any further. Question number 4. X plus 2x plus 3x is equals to 5x. Okay sir, अब तो सही है ना? 2x 3x x मिलाकर 5x. नहीं भाई, अभी भी गलत है. What is the mistake? x मतलब 1x. 1x में 2x ऐड हुआ तो 3x, और 3x में 3x ऐड हुआ तो 6x. The right answer is 6x. x का कोफिशिएंट 1 तो है, 1 में 2 ऐड किया 3, 3 में 3 ऐड किया 6. So you have forgot to add it. So left hand side is not equals to right hand side, and the right answer is 6x. You will have to see that the left hand side is equals to right hand side or not, and what is the correct answer. The correct answer you will have to find. Okay, this was question number 4. Now let us see few more questions like this. Question number 5. What he is saying, 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y is equals to 0. फिर से वही गलती, y को ऐड ही नहीं किया इसने. देखते हैं कैसे. 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y, तो 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8y आना चाहिए था, और 8y में से 7y गया तो 0 थोड़े बचेगा. What will be the answer? Y. So left hand side is not equals to right hand side. Let us see question number 6. I'm very sure you are able to find the mistake. गलतियां पता चल रही है कि क्या गलती हुई. 5 plus 2 plus 1 8 होगा, उसने 7 ही लिख रखा है. Then 3x plus 2x, ये भी बड़ी कॉमन मिस्टेक है, is equals to 5x square. नहीं भाई, x और x मिलके तो x ही होता है. x into x is x square, while x plus x is 2x. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? 3x plus 2x का आंसर होगा 5x, which is not equals to 5x square. Hence left hand side is not equals to right hand side. Okay, so this way this is your question number 6. Now let us see question number 7 onwards. Question number 7. What will be there in question number 7? 2x का whole square, okay, plus 4 into 2x plus 7 का आंसर ये क्या कह रहा है? 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 8x प्लस 7. क्या गलती है? Why this 2 has come? जब 2 का स्क्वायर है तो it should have been 4. यहाँ 4 आना चाहिए था. देखते हैं सॉल्व करके. तो 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 4 इंटू 2x प्लस 7 का सॉल्यूशन आएगा 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 8x प्लस 7, which is not equals to 2x square plus 8x plus 7. So left hand side is not equals to right hand side. Okay, question number 8. Now what he is saying? 2x square, 2x का whole square plus 5x is equals to 4x plus 5x is equals to 9x. बताओ अब तो सही है ना? वो कह रहा सर अब तो सही है. नहीं भाई, अभी भी सही नहीं है. Still there is a mistake. What is the mistake? When we will make the square of it, it will become 4x square, and 4x square plus 5x is not equals to 4x plus 5x. 4x plus 5x तो 9x हो जाएगा, but they are not equal. So left hand side is not equals to right hand side. Understood? Let us see one more question, that is question number 9. and then rest of the question we will discuss in our next video. Question number 9. What question number 9 is saying? 3x plus 2 का whole square is equals to 3x square plus 6x plus 4. Is it? Yes. Is it true? No, it is not true. Why it is not true? Look, when you will open the whole square of 3x plus 2, जब 3x plus 2 का whole square खोलेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 3x square plus 2 into 3x into 2 plus 2 का whole square. So this is 3 square, 3 square will be 9x square. 2 3 ja 6, 2 ja 12x plus 4. So this is not equals to this, hence left hand side is not equals to right hand side, and the right answer is this. So he is asking us to find the correct answers, and he is asking us to find the mistake. So mistake, we are finding that here is the mistake and the correct answer is this. So this way you complete 14.4 question number 9, and rest of the 11 questions, 12 questions we will discuss in tomorrow's video. Till then, complete your work and submit 14.3, and once 14.4 is submit, then I will assign this also. Okay.